Hello, it's John. I'm out walking again, and what a foggy, dismal day it is. But I think the worst part about it is actually getting outside and doing the walking, getting off the sofa, opening that door and getting in the car or walking off from your own. That's the hardest thing. Once you're out walking, brilliant, absolutely brilliant, love it. Anyway, today I'm going to find somewhere in wood, and I've got my Trangia stove with me, and I'm hoping to cook a steak. Now that don't sound bad, does it? So we'll catch you in a bit. Well, I've got my steak and rice. I've got a plate, so I've put it in my tub, and I've had a taste of steak. It is gorgeous, so excuse me. Well, leave no trace. I've had a very enjoyable dinner, and I just want to show you my new to me bag, and it's made by a company, not made but designed by a company called Highlander, and it's a Scottish company, and I am a big fan of theirs. And it's a Forces 66 Bergen, if you like a military bag, and I bought it from eBay. Now, to buy new, they're on sale at the moment. I believe they're 80 odd pound, and I bought this for £24 off eBay. Second hand, of course, but I think it's banging. They're an heavy bag. They're only any good really for doing what I'm doing at the moment, short walk and have a meal in a wood. Absolutely ideal for that. I won't go on a long distance walk. I'd use one of my lighter weight bags, but for the money, I get loads of kit in. Thank you very much for coming with me on my adventure, and the steak was gorgeous. And if you like what I'm doing, please press the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.